Hey dear friends, today in this video lecture I will be telling you about how to remember names of G7 Asian and SAARC countries. So let us start. In group 7 or G7 we have countries like Britain, Germany, then Japan, then USA, then Italy, then Canada, which is also a second largest country after Russia, then France. So in G7 or group 7, countries are Britain, Germany, Japan, USA, Italy, Canada, France. You have to remember a trick for this, like Britain ने जर्मनी का जूस निकाला. So trick for group 7 or G7 countries, trick is Britain ने Germany का जूस निकाला. Juice you have to divide it in 1 2 3 4 5 parts. So first country is Britain, same here Britain, then Germany, same here, then juice you have to split it into 5, that is J stands for Japan, here already written here, then U stands for USA, United States of America, then I Italy, then C Canada, then E you have to replace E with F, that is France. So by this trick you can remember the names of group 7 countries. Then we have Asian countries, Association of Southeast Asian Nations countries. In this group, countries are Malaysia, Burma, Brunei, Singapore, Cambodia, then Indonesia, then after Indonesia we have Philippines, then Laos, then Thailand, and the last one is Vietnam. Here most mobile batteries are made here, Vietnam. That is in Asian countries are Malaysia, Burma, Brunei, Singapore, Cambodia, Indonesia, Philippines, Laos, Thailand, and Vietnam. Trick is MBBS के बच्चे जो क्रिकेट का वर्जन होता है किसमें, आईपीएल में टीवी पे देखते हैं. ठीक है, क्रिकेट के बहुत सारे वर्जन होते हैं, जैसे पीएसएल पाकिस्तान सुपर लीग, एक हो गया बीबीएल बिग बैश लीग, एंड आईपीएल इज अनदर वर्जन ऑफ क्रिकेट, दैट इज इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर हियर दैट एमबीबीएस के बच्चे क्रिकेट का जो वर्जन होता है किसमें, आईपीएल में, किस पे देखते हैं, टीवी पे. सी हियर एम स्टैंड्स फॉर मलेशिया, ऑलरेडी रिटन हियर मलेशिया, बी बर्मा, बी Brunei, S Singapore, C Cambodia, I Indonesia, P Philippines, L Laos, T Thailand, and V stands for Vietnam. Then the third one we have SAARC countries. SAARC countries we as already we know that SAARC we have MBBS PAN, MBBS PAIN PAN. In SAARC countries are you have to remember this MBBS PAN, that is M for Maldives. Remember here M does not stands here for Myanmar, but M here stands for Maldives. You have to remember this thing here, Maldives, then Bangladesh, then B stands for Bhutan, then S stands for Sri Lanka, then P stands for Pakistan, then A Afghanistan, then I stands for India, and then N stands for Nepal. So by this trick MBBS man you can easily remember the countries of SAARC. At last one thing I want to add here, that after 1st March, that is day after tomorrow, I will be uploading all subject classes here on my YouTube channel. If anyone wants to join, so get connected to me on my YouTube channel after 1st March. Thank you.